So hi, good morning, brother.
Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm also great. Even I also trying to learn this skill. That's why we are join this application, and really, it's really good for our conversation. Maybe in upcoming days also we definitely again talk to each other, and it's really quite good for everyone who want to watch our video in through by your channel, and it's really helpful for everyone because we are learner. We face lots of difficulty in English purpose when we start learning, and after that I realize myself, now I am comfortable to talk anyone. Yeah,
Okay.
and that's why we are talk to each other now this time, and again a happy moment. And tell me,
Okay.
dear, tell me about yourself. You already mentioned me that you are as a YouTuber and you are learning English. Maybe you are also intermediate than me, and that's why I'm again happy. You are agree to talk with me, and you are spending time with me. It's really good moment for me.
Yes, thank you very much, brother, for telling me everything. But I'm also beginner, bro. Like
Okay,
you, okay?
okay,
I'm also learning English language. We are
yeah.
helping each other. We are learning.
Mm-hmm.
We are practice each other. So it's a very
Okay.
easy way to learn English language.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we can say Sky video calling. We can face everything. We can give our expression. Whenever you do mistake, then you will realize what I'm doing mistake. Whenever
Yeah.
I do mistake, then we will learn together, what's our mistake. This is
Mm-hmm.
plus about video calling.
Mm.
Most people recommended audio calling. Whenever we try to connect, then over
Okay.
there we just speak normally, but we don't know our expression, our
Okay.
English language, where we are. But
Mm.
whenever you try to video calling, we can say you can make eye contact, and you can
Yes,
see.
yes, it's
Yeah, it's
true.
very important, in front of. Yeah. So anyway, brother, please tell me about yourself. Like, what do you do? What's your profession?
Okay. My name is Kaiser Alam, and I am from West Bengal. I already told you that, and I am also a student of uh, art stream. I am doing my graduation. I am in second year student, not in regular university. I am doing my graduation in Open University, and I also working uh, private company. That is,
Mhm.
my company's name is Nurses, which is situated in North Dinajpur in West Bengal. And
Okay.
basically, my work is office work. Like I am a office staff in showroom.
Okay.
Yeah, that is all myself. If you if you know about me, that is enough for me.
Okay. That's good. It was good introduction, brother. So you
Okay.
are learning English language. So how do you practice, brother? Can you share with me?
It's quite difficult to share everything. Because I am doing my job, and after all, I am learning because it's my interest. It's, you can say, it's my desire also, and that's why I'm doing. I'm That's why I'm learning English, and every day, when I free, just I watch some subtitle movies, and
Mhm.
I love Kerala's movie, like South Indian movies. I love that movies is really interesting because they are showing everything in uh, basic level, and
Okay.
they are showing what's happened nowadays. That is the incident. It's upcoming days going on. That is they are showing on their movies, and I love to watch such types of movies. And
Okay.
I really happy when uh, I will saw such types of movie. I really happy because I have learned something new words like basic knowledge. They talk
Okay.
as a simple manner, they talk easy way, and we can understand everything, every portion because we are learner. That is the
Yeah.
reason behind. And when I learn this skill, when I start learning this English spoken purpose, then after that, I many time I
Okay.
have spent many time with English subtitle movies, and I am really good to see that types of movie.
Okay.
And another thing is that I also write down some notes which I don't know. But even though I have make lots of mistake like grammar portion, it's really expressing you that I am not in grammar portion in well, but I will try my best, and
Okay.
it is my way. And whenever I free, just listen something and talk to the
Okay.
friend like buddy talk, hello,
Mhm.
speak in English. Such types of platform I use not every day. When I free, when I feel let's talk to someone, to unknown person, that time I
Yeah.
definitely talk on application. It's really better, like a beginner who want to talk in another person in first time. They definitely talk in buddy talk, hello, speak in English. Such types of
Okay.
application is really helpful for beginner. But when
Yes,
you
yes, yes.
spend your time on such types of application, then you definitely realize yourself that it is quite better for learning English.
Yeah, absolutely. Even I'm also using a Buddy Talk and Hello Talk. Maybe you heard about Hello. This is also good platform to
Yeah,
learning
yeah.
a English language. And
Hello.
Buddy Talk, it's amazing application. Like nothing chargeable. This is very free of cost, and we
Yes.
can talk over there like in the around people. Lots of people are
Mm-hmm.
using for English language. You
Yes.
can just go register your email ID, etc., and you can connect anywhere. So this is
Yes.
plus point.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah, I
Absolutely
started
correct.
my journey over there. Seriously, if you talk about my
Okay.
communication, I started from there.
Yeah,
Amazing
absolutely. I'm
experience.
also first when I start talking in buddy talk. After that, I realize I can talk. I have
Mm-hmm.
ability. Then why I can't talk to another person? Then I have find way. Then I start talking. This is the
Okay.
first way in my side also. Start
Mhm.
talking in buddy talk. After that, I search in Google, search in YouTube, and find lots of idea, lots of way, and now we can spend our time each other. That is really
Yes.
coincident and really happy moment for us. And I definitely share you. Even I also working in YouTube. You can
Okay.
observe me as a YouTuber. You can also observe me as a learner. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter. And even if you share this video, I definitely share my channel also through this video way. And my
Mhm.
channel name is Newton Spoken World, Newton, Newton space uh,
Okay.
Spoken,
Mhm.
Spoken WORLD. Newton Spoken World. This is my channel name. Uh, whoever watch this video, definitely visit my channel. And just I am working my, you know, your teacher, your moderator. Even I am also working such types of way
Okay.
because we are learning. It's really feel good when you do work on that field, and you also learning. It's really better for everyone who want to grow in your life in English way. You definitely at least watch this video. And
Yeah,
it is
absolutely.
it's when you see, I tell you, your subscriber, when you see this video, then you definitely observe our feelings, because we are start learning on buddy talk. After that, you can see our
Mhm.
confident, and we can get enough result because it's working.
Yeah, absolutely. So, bro,
And
like, how's going your YouTube channel nowadays? How's going?
actually, it's not far away going. It's starting journey. It's 1 month ago. I start journey in
Okay.
new way, because
Mhm.
before you can watch my video or not, but before it's working on another way. But now I am working in this way because for
Okay.
I'm learning, and after that it's also memory. It's my memory because I talk
Yeah.
many unknown friends, like I don't know where they are from, but even now, even I don't know, but it's coincidence I talk with you because it's also new for experience purpose. And
Yes.
in this way I can talk many friends like all over India, like Bihar, Jharkhand,
Mhm.
Maharashtra, like UP, and even you are, maybe you are from Gujarat.
No, no,
Okay.
I'm calling from Mumbai.
Oh, yes, yes. You already told me that you are from Mumbai, and even I am also told another YouTuber. He is from Gujarat, Ari Photo. First
Yes,
calling,
yes.
he he called me with 3 months ago. I talked
Okay.
to them, talked to him. Uh,
Mhm.
this is the first inspiration for me, and
Okay.
in this way I am learning, and I get enough result. It's my journey.
Yeah,
If you tell
that's
me
good.
something about yourself that is also good for your subscriber, and it's
Eh,
also good for me because we
Yeah,
are learning.
absolutely. Absolutely. Like my name is Samir. I'm living in Mumbai, and even
Yeah.
I'm also learning English language. Like I want to become a fluent speaker about public speaking because
Okay.
my job related, my career related, and
Hmm.
I'm practice. Huge of amount. Like every day, I try to connect with a stranger like you and talk
Yes. Yes.
about any topic, any new thing, and
Hmm.
always I think English language. I think I'm addicted in English, we can say.
Okay,
I
that's
love
fine.
to communication.
It's
Yeah.
really neat. When you
Yeah.
addicted any work you do, you are definitely you succeed. It's I
Yes.
observe myself because in first time when I start talking, after that I realize it's working. After that I also addict myself, and even though I start learning, I feel comfort whenever whenever I talk unknown friend.
Mhm.
I feel not uncomfortable because it's the
Okay.
situation it I build up.
Yes. Absolutely. So this kind of see like I have a lots of group also, and over there lots of people are improving together, and this is
Mm.
such a really helpful for beginner. This group,
Yeah,
if you talk
absolutely
about
correct.
like Arif, not Arif, like his name Vishnu Bhardwaj sir. He
Yeah,
also
yeah.
he have a WhatsApp group and YouTube channel. And
Mm.
second thing like one of guy also he have also WhatsApp. It's fantastic. So those
Yes,
people are trying to improvement together, calling, audio call, video call.
yes,
So
yes.
we can say like, and do you know brother Camly app? Yeah, I want to
Yeah,
share with you.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. I know, but I am not purchased such types of
Okay.
app because I think I am not comfort on that place. That's why I am not purchased. But definitely, I definitely one time I purchased such types
Okay.
of application because I love to talk in foreign people because I haven't talked to any foreign person. It's
Mhm.
really happy moment when I talk to foreign people. And can you share me about Camly purpose if you also user of Camly?
Yeah. I was using a Camly. It was amazing experience. Like I was, excited to take a subscription. Then
Mm-hmm.
finally, I started my journey in 10th October, my first video, and
Mm-hmm.
I made it was amazing. But that moment, I was feeling too nervous, low confidence,
Okay,
and
okay.
I was just blank in front of a teacher. Like, what should I talk and how
Mm.
to I give an introduction? So this kind of if you face, if you
Okay.
like for example, if you beginner and you want to talk with any foreigner, any front of people, not foreigner and
Mm-hmm.
anyone, okay, then
Mm.
definitely little bit you feel too low confidence and hesitation, nervous, and
Mm.
that moment you realize, oh my god, where am I and how I'm speaking.
Mm.
Even we don't know everything, but we
Yes.
cannot express. This is our big problem. We cannot express in like freedom. That's why
Mm-hmm.
reason we have to practice more and more and just convert a intermediate and talk about something, practice more and more. Whenever we give a lots of time, automatically we will learn. So it's very
Okay.
important practice. Then after that you can go with Cambly, because Cambly Twitter, like they are belong to like native and they are speaking very well. And sometimes
Yes.
they
Yes.
speak fastly, we don't know. They use some fancy vocabulary, some new word we don't know, like we didn't heard about before. That
Mm.
moment we confused. It's happened with me.
Confused. Yeah.
That's why I'm telling. So first thing, just learn. Then if you think about like Camel is good for me, I convert intermediate, then you can go. Otherwise, if you totally beginner, then always I suggest you just learn a basically little bit, then
Hmm.
can jump there.
Yeah,
Because
that's why. That's
yeah,
why I already told you that. That's why I'm not purchased this
mhm,
that application. But
yeah,
in future, I definitely purchase because it's also my dream. I want to talk in foreign people, and
okay.
maybe what happened, but it's sure that I definitely purchase.
Yes, yes, of course, brother. So I hope so. You will, whatever you want to just achieve, and you're doing great. You're, by the way, your English is perfectly, brother. You're doing great. You're
Okay,
speaking
thank you
better
for.
than me. Seriously, just keep going.
No, no,
Do hard work.
it doesn't matter if you mention or not, but I I will try my best.
Yeah.
Even in future, I also trying my best because it's my duty. It's
Mhm.
I am choosing my platform. That's why I need to work hard in this way. Without hard
Yeah,
working, any work you do, it's not happen.
it's not
It's
happen.
really, and it's coincident we meet to each other because
Yeah.
you are my friend. Also, you are as a YouTuber. Uh,
Mhm.
it's really amazing to talk each other.
Yes, thank you very much, brother, for connecting with me. And seriously, we are helping each other. We are
Yeah,
practice each other. This is good way. I appreciate like this thing. Always I connect. Always I
okay.
wanted to practice with. If before Camly, like if I I realized like this is good platform to learning English language, then I never use a Camly. Seriously,
Okay,
but I
but
realized it's okay.
I now
Yeah.
I can share you. I can tell you that now it's your time to again go with Camly. It's my request because you are not
Okay.
in first timer. It's you are
Yeah.
gain your
Check.
performance. Maybe it's you choose nowadays. Maybe you gain. It's
Okay.
really helpful for you because nowadays I
Mm-hmm.
can see Cambly videos so much people are showing because
Yes.
people
Absolutely.
why they are interested to watch such types of video, maybe they are learn something by foreign tutor. This is
Yeah.
the reason.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Let's see that in future time, definitely.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because it was a good memory, and I learned
Mhm.
from there many things. So definitely in future time, I will take.
Okay,
I
okay.
hope so. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, brother. Here we. It's end time. Okay.
Yeah,
We have.
absolutely. It's maybe lengthy and it's
Yes.
not better for our subscriber. And let's talk
Yes.
another time when you're free. And definitely we make another video. It's no doubt. If you give me
Okay.
chance, then we definitely make a video. Okay. Definitely we talk to each other in audio call also.
Yes. Yes.
Have a nice
Bye
talk
bye.
to you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much for. Bye bye. See
Thank
you. Have a
Yeah,
nice day, brother.
definitely. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.